Your roof is one of the most critical components of your home, but how can regular maintenance extend its lifespan? Let's explore the key benefits of keeping your roof in top shape. First, regular maintenance helps you catch and fix minor issues before they become major problems. Small problems like loose shingles or minor leaks can be quickly addressed, preventing them from causing more significant damage that could compromise your roof's structure. Water damage is a major concern for any roof. By maintaining your roof, you can ensure it remains watertight, preventing leaks, mold growth, and wood rot, which can all shorten the life of your roof. Proper ventilation is also crucial. Without it, heat and moisture can build up in your attic, leading to the deterioration of your roofing materials. Regular maintenance ensures your roof is well ventilated, which not only extends its life but also improves your home's energy efficiency. Don't forget about your gutters and downspouts. Keeping them clear of debris is essential for directing water away from your roof and preventing leaks and water damage. Maintaining your roofing materials is another key aspect. Sun, wind, and rain can wear down your shingles over time, but with regular inspections and repairs, you can keep them in good condition for years to come. Finally, regular maintenance helps preserve your roof's structural integrity, improve energy efficiency, and even enhance your home's curb appeal. It's an investment in the longevity of your roof and the protection of your home. For more tips on extending the lifespan of your roof through maintenance, visit our Roof Maintenance Program page and see how RoofWorks can help you keep your roof in top condition year-round.